this video. Just gonna go into a little flow, a little light language maybe. My intention is to connect fully with Earth, all versions of Earth that I simultaneously exist on within with source energy. I'm right by this beautiful river. We got a crow and other birds in the background. It's going into my heart and extending out from there. Kewa ashtana kimawa. Kewo boeshtene kimawa henet ikimikwa. Di stuk umukunene tiki imakuna bewa het inek umuk uhet tuak uanaha kiawe aneawe ste kumoe tiau kunne teak uane Te stu kue wahe ne ko mua hai ne tia stau koma. Kue wahe tia ste mok unahat ena. Ne kune mahokua de kune wa anetiasta te ak uanet iena duk tik er kuk newe pia na te ki ne kima amakunea di stunu kua moha ne wahaietea Kia wea west ukumuet nene kinea. Tini kima ana ek onokonia. Titi kine anek et iahak ot it ishtek inehek ea. Tiki inehek uamak enet it ik inehewa. And we anchor higher frequencies as we connect in with the higher frequencies, as we attune our brain waves, if you will, as we allow ourselves to brain wave, as we allow ourselves to tune into the brain, the heart, all frequencies of Mother Earth, our divine dushtak uak enet ek enet ur. Dishtuk ur bek enek ewahat eak ur mak et ek erhak ur. Interconnectedness to all things, divinated, if you will. I'm seeing in the veins, in the bloodstream, in the streams. Pretty sure I'm watching deer right now, running into the woods. Meku mokwehe ne ishtena kimek uana tena. Di stuak in hep uana. Kimokuahenet iat ustenekiema. Tiki wahanet ekiana. Timokuanatian am akhene. Tikinikua makuahene et era hak ura. Tistur mahat ek era. Tikinikiera hak ura. Tikinik erhat iestorine kiera hak ura. Tioahene kiemakuana. Istuk urhat ene kierhat era. Tia awahat ene kiera. Just breathing in and out. As we reunify with this, as we sit with this, as we allow ourselves to step into this, we step out of resistance. We step out of this same old song and dance. We move into a deeper reflection of resilience. We move into a more hyper awareness, hybrid awareness, hyperology, if you will, play on words. We become more aware of the morphology. I'm seeing many pictures as I say this. I'm seeing Morpheus, I'm seeing morphology, I'm seeing theology, I'm seeing radiology, I'm seeing X-ray vision. I'm seeing that we move into this deeper immersion versus diversion, into this deeper dance. Beawesh takur nek enak arhok ur. Hearing trimergence. Dea wea stek inehe kumuk ohanet ea. Tikinik yarhak ara. Die stur mahat ek erhat enek ara. I stur mahat ek era. Die nik yarhak ora. Die stur mahar ak era. For as we tune into this higher vibration, we vibrate out beyond Deborahanek erhat ur, die stur mahat ek erhat enek era. Dienar hok ur nistik enek ur stur marhat et ek era. Dienar hok ur nestrohor mak erhat era. I'm just moving energy around with my hands while I do this. I'm hearing moving out of the same old song and dance. Was that Aerosmith? Die stur mahar ak ar ak ur. As I say that, I see arrows, and I see like a blacksmith, and I see us hammering out, and I'm hearing Thor's hammer, and then I see this in reference and relevance to us being these arrows of truth. We start to point into a different direction. We start to point inward. We start to find our inner youth, our inner tune, our inner tonology. For we cannot be in this greater capacity for knowledge and understanding if we turn away from the roots of our truth, of our true roots, rooted in the very planet in which we exist with, on, within, connected with. For she is in us and we are in she, de stur mak erhak ura. Waha nek enishtuk unek ewahayat enik unewa. Makunewe. Dishtur amak hak I'm just seeing that there's a lot that want to escape. And what I'm hearing is, let us not escape from our true heritage, our true ancestry, our true ancestries, our true roots. For were we not meant to be participating in this beautiful planetary existence, then we would have already moved on. Yet those who have already moved on are coming back so that they may carry on what it is that they left behind. This deeper connection, intrinsically interwoven reflection, smiling back at us in all directions, should we choose to see it, feel it, breathe it. For the earth has many things to communicate with us still, yet we must be still in order to distill that which is not part of her relevancy. For the noise that is all around us is merely a discrepancy. This is the play on words. To delude us from transparency, if you will, to dilute that which is the truth, to dilute the new growth and roots and tiny shoots. But we are in the process of exponentially growing into, from, with. There is a deeper language hidden within the circuitry board that we are part of, that we are constantly tuning to once we go within to tune into and listen. The many derivatives, the many, play on words. We say this in many different linguistics, many different styles of fonts, many different vocabularies. Yet earth is running through you, coursing through you in this now moment, through your own circuitry board, through your own capillaries. For you are the visionaries. It is time to step up and remember, should you choose to. Should you choose to step inward in that direction of discourse with your own course, stepping out of discord and disharmony, allowing yourself to free the cords that you have been entangled with. Listen, for we are in a deeper adept position than we perhaps were in recent lineages, or lineups, if you will, for we have fully aligned ourselves with a new stargate. And as we stargaze, as we gaze at the stars that are gazing back at us, we see through, as we embark upon this new truth, we find and refind and reestablish our inner youth. So I wrote about this, stepping out of euthanization. For our inner child is reborn within this new dominion, within this new men ion, dikur mahat enik era, dikura. This new inner scope, this new inner scopy, plays on words. And let us play with the words for a moment. For we share many different versions and verses of languages, if you will, conceptualized through vocabulary and linguistics, allowing ourselves to step through and step away from old concepts of what that should be, sound like, how we should view it, or how we should see through it. For the languages and verses that we use are meant to be shared in a versatile complexity, if you will. A complex and interwoven diagram, a diaphragmic presentation, presenting many different folds, if you will, of tones, sounds, meanings. Mewa nenekea, kune mawahet eanek e mamak one, dia no kuno eshtene, dek e namak ahane. As these sounds reverberate through you, as you allow them to perhaps tone your own human circuitry board or mother network, that which is circulating from within your field, around your field, tuning into what it is that you feel when you resonate with certain frequencies, when you step into your kingdom of the heart and step out of that which is not. I'm hearing how great thou art. Tur. Step outside to get inside, meaning into Mother Nature, into her bandwidths, for she is banding with you in this now moment. Allow yourselves to join her band. Allow yourselves to tune your instruments. The instrument of man. I'm hearing the brother and sisterhood of man. Redemption song. It's all I ever had. I'm hearing all kinds of music, like different songs. What floats your boat? Listen, tune in. Listen to the music. Sing songs for her, to her, for she sings to you. And we offer blessings to the earth in this now moment. De stumokwane, de nek umokuahane, duet ene stu kuana. Kia waia nea kua wae. Ne mokua e te awaha nea wa kua wa awaha stau. Te kia nea makone. Wae e kene. Nea mokua e te kua hash te nikini a. Ki stor mak arhak et ekher. Dik erhak ar starhak dinak arhat era. Tikur nehet enarhak ene stor nat ekhera. Dinarhak di stor mak hat et erhet I stor mak arhat era. Nior onok stenek irhar stor nek erhar et irhak Niestun kianahra enek erhak Dit et erhar enek hier. Niwaia dea. Nikinewa. Die stur het ek erhane. Breathing in and out. Wherever you are in this now moment, feeling into this frequency that Mother Earth and Mother Nature is offering. The elements that we are part of. That we are unified with. That we are created from. And so it is in the deepest gratitude and appreciation, in the deepest harmonics. We send this love and presence down into the earth, out into the elements, connecting in unified oneness, compassion, and love charge as an expression, a wave of love and gratitude. anchoring it wherever we are, here together on this planet, in this planet, around this planet, into the grids, into the waters, into the land, into the air, the aether, connecting to all plants, animals, humans. And so it is. Into our bodies. So it is.